Hey guys, welcome back. I am Amber from Unique Upcycles, and in last week's video I announced that I was going to be doing a giveaway because I recently just hit 1,000 followers on my Instagram account. So if you're not already following me, be sure to head on over there and check that out. I do post behind the scenes footage and stuff like that. The prizes were these two zebra brushes. So this is the zebra triangle brush and the zebra square brush. Just to remind you, once again, I am not sponsored or partnership or anything with Zebra. So I did purchase these with my own money, and I will be shipping them to the winner with my own money. It's just my way of saying thank you for your support of my channel, of my new small business, and just really appreciate you guys. So thank you for that. Let's go ahead and get into announcing the winner of the giveaway. Okay, so I am going to take you guys along with me to pick the winner, just so you know there's no cheating or anything like that. So the website I'm using is commentpicker.com, and you can actually use this for any social media platform. So it just says enter your YouTube video URL. So it was this video, the one with the giveaway. So I'm just going to hit share, copy the link, and go back to the website. Put that guy in there, get YouTube comments. So there was 56 people that commented and entered into the contest. So now we're going to head over here to start raffle and pick random winner. So Nuria Badia, hopefully I pronounced that correctly. Congratulations, you are the winner. Alright, so congratulations to Nuria. You are the winner of these two zebra brushes. I will be replying to your comment on the actual giveaway video with instructions on how to get a hold of me so that I can get these shipped out to you. Don't worry, if you didn't win this giveaway, I will be doing more in the future. And speaking of future giveaways, what would you guys like in future giveaways? Do you want more brushes? Do you want paint samples? Totally open to all suggestions. Also, I will be posting a new video tomorrow morning. I usually post around 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm actually still editing the video for tomorrow, so once I get done filming this, I will continue to edit for that. As always, I do thank you guys for your support and all that you've done for me. I love all the comments, all the suggestions, so thank you so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow.